On the vast land of China, a new star in the iron and steel industry is rising gradually with brilliant radiance. That is Shanghai Bebon Iron and Steel Group. BBN Group was founded in 1987 with a registered capital of RMB 106.8 million. Annual turnover is more than 500 million US dollars. The annual exports of steel has exceeded 800,000 tons. The scope of our business involves in steel production, steel machining service, steel pipe manufacturing, and mechanical equipment production. All the branch companies under BBN Group have passed the ISO certification management system with the aim of offer more than you expect. We strictly adhere to the production standard and norm required by the clients, take the quality as top important issue, and aims to be a golden supplier in the iron and steel industry. For each order, our company have professional team to follow up the whole process, including technical evaluation, drawing design and confirmation, production update, quality inspection, documents review, shipment schedule, after-sales service, and so on. We will dispatch our own professional quality inspection team to make on-site inspection for each order to fully guarantee the quality of each shipment. We also have long-term cooperation with third-party inspection institutes such as SGS, TUV, BV. We always make our quality shining brightly all over the world. The corporate vision of BBN Group is to create the happiest life for employees and create the greatest value for society. We strive to make everyone's good expectations to be more people's happy future. We practice social responsibility actively, focus on green environmental protection, carbon peaking, and carbon neutrality. Let technology and green coexist and contribute to our clear water and blue sky. BBN Group strives to be better and more professional all the time. Our aim ahead is to be the top-level supplier in iron and steel field. We try to be the pioneer in steel industry in the future. Let the Chinese steel serve for every country in the world. We are always on the way.